In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo My Homepage in Google Chrome Guide. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open so you can access the menu options at the top of the window. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner. You will see the 3 vertical dots which open the main Chrome menu. Click those 3 dots to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains many of the browser controls and settings. From that list, select Settings. When you click Settings, Chrome will open a new tab where you can manage how the browser behaves. Now look at the left sidebar inside the Settings page. This sidebar helps you move between different groups of Chrome options. Find and click on Startup. This section controls what Chrome displays each time you open the browser, so this is where you need to be for this change. Once you are in the On Startup section, you will see a few choices. Select the option that says Open a specific page or set of pages. After selecting that option, click Add a new page. A small text box will appear where you can enter the website address you want Chrome to open on startup. In that box, type https://www.yahoo.com carefully so the address is entered correctly. Then click Add to save it. After you do that, Yahoo will be listed as one of the pages Chrome opens when the browser starts. The next time you launch Chrome, it should take you directly to Yahoo automatically. That covers everything you need to know.